Assalamualaikum, my name is Ainul Yusra binti Muhammad Zawi and I will explain regarding hydraulic circuit. Okay, for hydraulic circuit, we use two cylinder, which is cylinder C and cylinder B, double acting cylinder. And then we use pressure relief valve, and then we use 4 3-way solenoid valve. For 4 3-way solenoid valve, we change from manual valve to solenoid valve, and we change the configure to and add the spring. And then for relief valve, we use relief valve. The function is for safety for hydraulic to return back to the tank. And then we use closing pressure compensator. The function the function for closing pressure compensator is to differentiate between both cylinder movement. The reason why we want to separate the movement is because we don't want the cylinder C and cylinder B to move together. And then we use the tank. Next we use displacement pump. And next I will pass to Ahmad Fuad.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain about the electrical and electronic diagram. Okay, so for run the hydraulic system, we use the solenoid control at the 4 3-way. So on the electrical diagram, we see this is the solenoid. For Y1 and Y2 is the same at the solenoid used at the 4 3-way, and then we use two relay K1 and K2 as a control of the current for the solenoid. Okay, for the supply we use 24 volt. Okay, then the control of the system by the main switch. Then when we click the main switch, we can see that the cylinder C, okay, cylinder C will operate. Then when the cylinder C at the top of the maximum of the top, then after that cylinder B will operate. Okay, so for run the system, we arrange the switch at the electric and electronic diagram. So we got S1, S2 switch, okay, K1, K2 switch, okay, and then they have normally open and normally closed switch for control the system. That means when we when we click the main switch, then the whole system will run automatically. Okay, thank you. And I pass to the Ainul Izzati.
Is Mas Ainul Izzati binti Mas Kamaruzaman. Okay, I will explain the discussion of this project. For this project, an electrical actuation of a 4 3-way solenoid valve with shut-off position has been developed. There were two double-acting cylinders used in this electrical actuation system, which were cylinder B and C. Indirect actuation has been used for these cylinders. The current only passes into a relay coil for indirect actuation while the main switch is pressed. The solenoid was energized by this effect, which then modifies the positioning of the 4 3-way solenoid valve with shut-off position. After the direction of the solenoid valve varies, the fluid shift according to the direction of the solenoid valve. Two electrical switches K1 and K2 were required in order to control the solenoid and link the relay to the circuit. The cylinders B and C will run when the main switch is activated, and when the switch S2 is activated, all cylinders will retract at the same time. Thank you.